Hey everyone, and welcome back. In this video, I am going to show you how to set up and use Stripe payment links. Use payment links to sell online without a website. Create a full payment page in just few clicks and share the link with your customers. No code required. Navigate to your Stripe dashboard. Click Products in the navigation. Add a product if you do not have one already, then select it from your products list. Make sure to add a price. This could be monthly, yearly, one-off, etc. Then select Create Payment Link. You can customize your payment link page by allowing promotion codes, letting customers adjust quantity if multiple is an option, collecting customers' address, and including a free trial. Click Create Link in the top right-hand corner of your screen. Your payment link has now been generated and you can copy it to your clipboard. Also, share it over text, email, or social media as many times as you like, or add it to your website. Get an email after every successful payment by managing your settings, and automate tasks like updating a spreadsheet after each payment with a tool like Zapier. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if this video helped you. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one. In this